Today we are going to discuss the privacy tools. What are the privacy tools? The privacy tools of the Gmail account. Going to start one by one. So first of all, I will read the paragraph here. Before moving forward in our video, please it's my request to watch the complete tutorial, and at the end of the video you must have to provide a suggestion in the comment box below. So to choose what data used to personalize your experience across Google services, you sometimes have to visit. You sometimes always have to visit to your Google account, even when you are not signed in to your Google account. You can use the tools below to manage your experience on the device. But how? How can you personalize your settings? How can you manage your data? How can you protect your privacy? How can you protect your data? Because the Google provide the password management settings in every Google account. When you are not signing, some information about your Google activity is saved in cookies on your device to help the Google work better. Okay, if you want to learn more about the cookies, you have to click on learn more about cookies. So as you will click on learn more about cookies, you will see that here's a tutorial also, but I'm not going to see that how Google use cookies. I click here, and now you can see the more information in how Google use credit card number for payments. So first of all, I will read the complete paragraph, and then I will tell you how Google use credit card number for payments. Can the Google cards? Google uses the credit number or the debit number or the both credit card or debit card number to provide you facilities payments for online and offline purchasing. It means that Google assists you for online shoppings, for online payments. It means you can use your Google account for online payments. It is a safer method. You can use the dollar currency from your Union Pay, or from your MasterCard, from your debit card, from your credit card, from your Visa card, from any card or the other online wallets such as Perfect Money, Skrill, Webinar, Payoneer, etc. If you move further and see that the Google Payment Privacy Notices provide detailed information about how we use your payment and account information, including the information we collect and how to share it. We only share the personal information and personal data. Google mostly don't leak anyone privacy or anyone personal content. So you can believe or you can trust on Google in these matters. I showed you Google don't make full use of any kind of information. So if you move further, if you see the details, you will see there is also the last line. If you read that, the last line that is that I'm going to here. The credit card and debit card number you provide to Google are encrypted and stored on secure servers in the secure location. So at the end of video, I request please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. We will meet tomorrow with a new tutorial, with a new video. Goodbye for today. Keep care always attached with us.